Bonjour, welcome back to your French lesson with Francoplanet. Let's learn how to ask questions. Comment poser une question? This is part 2. Quoi is the word for what in French? Example, c'est quoi? What is it? C'est un chat. It is a cat. C'est quoi? What are these? Ce sont des livres. These are books. The next question word is qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this or that? What are these or those? Example. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? C'est un chat. It is a cat. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What are these? Ce sont des livres. These are books. Qu'est-ce qu'elle mange? What does she eat? Elle mange une pomme. She eats an apple. Qui is the word for who in French. Qui est-elle? Who is she? Elle est mon amie. She is my friend. And you can ask this question in a more familiar way. C'est qui? Who is it? C'est mon ami. It is my friend. That's it for now. Please visit our website francoplanet.com to join the courses. We offer all kinds of courses for adults and children. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you may have access and get notified of the free French lessons and learning content that we will be uploading. Merci! Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson with Francoplanet, votre destination française.